Alright, Fly Tribe, welcome back to your weekly tutorial. And if you're new to this channel, thank you for coming, and don't forget to subscribe and smash the bell button so you know when our newest tutorial comes out. Alright, let's get to the tutorial. Alright, we're going to do an exercise that's going to help improve your hip keys. What this exercise does is it targets the deepest core muscle, the transverse abdominal. What you want to do is you want to get into the position of a hip key. So I always call this a scissor. Okay, and what you're going to do is you're going to lift the hip up, lift and crunch up, lift and crunch up. I suggest adding this exercise to your weekly conditioning workout. All right, if y'all have any questions or comments, leave them below, and I hope you enjoy this exercise and find it helpful. Other than that, smash that bell button, and we'll see you next week.